Good morning, students. Now, question number 4. Did the wise man win the reward? If not, why not? Which wise man? Wise men, those came in the court of the king. Okay, those suggested different answers to king. So king reward them. So the king was not completely satisfied by anyone, by any of the answers given by them. So he did not give the reward to anyone. He was not satisfied actually. That is why he didn't give any reward to them. Now, how did the king and the hermit help the wounded man? How did king help the particular wounded man who was king's enemy? Okay, so the king washed the wound of the injured man with water and covered it with a handkerchief. Okay, so he cleaned the wound till the bleeding stopped. He looked after the whole particular incident. Okay, he helped him out very much. So the king gave him some clean water. After this, he took hermit's help to carry the wounded man inside the hermit's hut and laid him on the bed where he fell asleep. Okay, so he looked after the particular wounded man, king. Now, who was the bearded man? The particular wounded man. Who was the bearded or wounded man? So, why did he ask for the king's forgiveness? Forgiveness means his pardon. So, who was the bearded man was an old enemy of the king. The king had killed the bearded man's brother and taken away his property. All the property has been taken by the king from the bearded man brothers. Okay. Now, why did he ask for the king's forgiveness? Actually, he was touched by the fact that he had come to kill the king. But the king had shown such kindness towards a stranger even without knowing him. After seeing that king was very much polite and humble and very kind towards the particular person who was his enemy. So he tried really hard to save his life. That's why the bearded man asked the king for forgiveness. The king forgave the bearded man. What did he do to show his forgiveness? What what type of particular thing done by the king that shows his forgiveness? So the king was happy to see the honesty of the bearded man. He not only forgave him but also said that he would send his own servants and doctor to look after the man to help him recover as an act of forgiveness. That was the act of forgiveness. Now, what were the hermit's answers to the three questions? Write each answer separately. Which answer do you like most and why? So, the three questions, all of you know that the best time, the most necessary person, or most important business to do with. Okay, so all the three questions are very good and teach us the important about the important time and important person and being good to everyone. So we always wish for a good future, and most of the time we grumble or are unhappy in our present. Okay, so rest of the exercise in next video.